Yes, sir.
Trust me, this is crazy.
So guys, he just came from the doctor and I don't know what he wants to report, but he's
I don't report a complaint. Right. This is just crazy. You know, alright. Me just feel say some rip-off thing I go on. Some things when are necessary I go on in the medical industry. I mean, I don't know if me I gonna get in trouble or what, but this is crazy. So me just do a colonoscopy, right? 50-year-old themselves do a colonoscopy. So bam, this is how the thing work. Them call me in for a consultation. So me go in for a consultation. Of course, you know, say you have to have a co-pay because you have insurance, whatever. Bam. Go in and them tell you what to do. In the next video, me I go show it. Me I tell you what and what to do to prepare for the colonoscopy. I mean, you know, the doctors are gonna tell you anyway, so me not have to do the 2 videos. Then me can just do 1 video. What do you think, see? So the consultation was initial, you know, telling you what to expect, you know, and that you're gonna have to do a detox and all of that and everything. Very vital information, necessary. I agree, it's necessary. So bam, we go in and we do the consultation. We had a co-pay. I have to tell them the amount of the co-pay because it varies based on your insurance, right?
Right.
So, needless to say, the co-pay was, as it relates to, you know, paying for a regular doctor visit, it wasn't overly substantial, but it was a figure that, you know, it was up there. It was an amount. All right, cool. Yeah. Pay the co-pay. Then I go in and I do the colonoscopy. Now the insurance policy is that the insurance are going to pay for the procedure. Right? When you're tired, give me, let me hold it. Pay for the procedure. So bam, we're going and we do the colonoscopy. Needless to say, the colonoscopy was a successful one. You know, they immediately, listen to this, you know, guys. Immediately after the colonoscopy, when you wake up in the hospital, because them put you to sleep and do the procedure, the nurse, operating nurse or whatever her category is, advises you on the fact that you just did a procedure and also the result. You hear me, see? Mm-hmm. In the result, them tell us, say, bam, this is what we found, this is what you're gonna need to do, yada yada yada. Now, in their defense, them says sometimes people are groggy, so they might end up not remembering all of the results.
What?
All right. Then now, listen, you know, guys. After this procedure, I am required to go to my primary care doctor. Who referred me in the first place. Now, when I went to my primary care doctor says, this is the result. And there is a co-pay. You hear me, I say, guys? This is the result and there is a co-pay. So I go to my primary doctor and him tell me the result and there was a co-pay. That's a 2 co-pay now, you know. Then now the same people them will do the colonoscopy call and say, oh, you have a follow-up. When we go to the follow-up, there is a co-pay. Let me tell you guys what the follow-up entails.
So what about the co-pay for the colonoscopy?
Hold on, man. I tell them what the follow-up entails because when we go to the follow-up, I find out what I want to know. You go to the clinic, wherever the place is, the surgery place, what them call it, the specialist. Mm-hmm. You sit down in the waiting room, and the nurse call you after about 5 minutes and say, oh, we see that you have a balance, and the balance is for the surgery. Okay. And there is gonna be a co-pay for today. We were sort of privy to the whole thing. So the wifey, this lady here, She told me, don't pay nothing. Do not pay for the surgery. Do not pay for the surgery. Because I was privy to certain little things. The insurance covers the surgery. That's the actual truth and fact. The insurance covered the whole of the surgery. So when they said there is a balance for the surgery, they are actually saying to you that we don't see where the insurance covered the whole of the surgery, so you have to pay extra. Hear this now. I said no, the insurance covers everything. You know, the woman said, oh, it does? Did you call the insurance? Yes, we spoke to the insurance and them said we're not supposed to pay no money out of pocket. Okay, then I'm gonna let that slide today, and then if anything, the billing department is gonna call you and then verify and whatever. But we're gonna make sure say you get paid. Sorry guys, we're gonna make sure say you get paid, do the surgery, whatever. The consultation. You're gonna still be able to do the consultation because the billing department never say Ray.
Otherwise, if you had a balance, they wouldn't.
Me have to pay the balance before I can do the follow-up consultation. Guys.
Like you needed the follow-up consultation.
After me tell the people them say the billing, me not supposed to pay for the something. The woman still take the copay and say sit down back again. Charge me now. Me sit down in the waiting room another 10 minutes. The doctor called them say, Sendtohope, come. Guys, I'm going out of the room. Listen this. The woman take my weight, take my blood pressure. Both things are consistent. Nothing is no out of no range or out of nowhere, nothing. Everything is consistent. She said, hold on, the doctor is gonna come in now and talk to you. Ladies and gentlemen, I kid you not. The doctor comes in after a few minutes, maybe about 3 minutes. It was very fast based on my regular visits. So I spend maybe half an hour in total. Half an hour in total. So the doctor now says to me, you did a colonoscopy and the results are everything is normal. Guys, I know this already. I've been given this advice from the very day when I do the test while I was coming out of anesthesia. The man said, that means you don't have to see us for the next 10 years. I said, okay, that's great. What else? I see there's a little bit of hemorrhoids, but it's consistent. Nothing is out of the way. You don't have any trouble. You're not feeling any type of pain. It just means that there is a little bit of stuff going on, but you can just take a little fiber, put more fiber in your diet, and then and I said, okay. I said, I'm taking fiber. Okay, great. Thank you so much. She'll see you out. 1 single minute. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, me not lie. 1 minute and charge me. You understand? The seat not even warm where the man sit down pan. The seat not warm, ladies and gentlemen, where the man sit down pan, and them charge me. Them could have tell me that over the phone. Them could have write it in a one single sentence letter.
But the people who did it told you already. And your doctor told you already. So why you need a third person to tell you?
So why you make me go?
Me?
Yeah.
Me make you go.
Then you make me go. If you didn't say no, come and now go. Because them a trick people out there. I need back my money. Guys, this something have to give. Something have to give. Me say me so hurt. Me out for tell the man, say, listen man, you have to go do back over that in a brother. You have to go check again in a brother, because the co-pay, the 2 co-pay them equal one full doctor visit. Me now go back. Hear the girl now. Hear the girl. Guys, hear the girl where that check me out now. I mean, she was checking me out, but she checked me out. Yeah. Oh, your next appointment is in 10 years. You want to make the appointment now? Me say, gal.
Is she for real?
Me say, you're serious? Yes, some people makes it right away. Me say, gal, Me say by that the time the AI take over the whole thing, I want to tell you. Which appointment no for 10 years.
By the time the coming of the Lord will be here. You should have said your soul right with God.
Ah, Lord.
About 10 years.
If you're not busy, pass right by ear. This is not this. I can't make this stuff up. I cannot make it up. I cannot make it up. I tell you the truth. It's important, ladies and gentlemen, take your health into your own hands and do the best you can to keep yourself healthy, because they out here trying to get you. They're trying to take everything you own. They're trying to take everything from you. You understand?
Yesterday, a pharmacist, when I went to fill my prescription, a pharmacist said to me, when I was asking about the price.
The price is the price.
No, she was like, yeah, these things are expensive. And she whispered to me, I start planting my own natural stuff.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
I'm taking my own natural stuff because these things are like, wow.
While I was in the doctor office a while ago, there was an actual sign that was saying, take your own, find natural antioxidants. Find natural ways of like I say, what it was saying is, get antioxidants from the food that you eat, because the synthetic antioxidant was not providing sufficient protection. So the sign was actually trying to tell you, say, you know, stuff like garlic, things that are naturally antioxidantified. Yeah, use those. But guys, this is crazy. It is the craziest thing. I cannot believe it that this happened to me. And I feel like I just get finessed. I feel fully finessed a while ago. I'm hurt, and I just wanted to share the hurt with you. When you go to the doctor, find out the necessity of all the different visits, all the back and forth in, because sometimes it's all about, you understand?
All about the money.
And I feel so hurt. But otherwise, I'm healthy and fine. Guys, go get your prostate check. Go do your colonoscopy. Make sure say you're all right. Eat healthy, eat properly, and stay out of people's business. Drink enough water, because it's hot out here. It's getting hot out here. So take off all your clothes.